Hello guys, welcome back. I'm your friend InsectO. Today we will try to build a Twitter-like application together, and I have spent the whole project into 4 different tasks. 0 tasks. First task is to set up a Flutter development environment, because the Flutter would be the main user interface framework that we are going to use. And the second task is to make a Twitter-like last view from old data. I have a lot of data, my personal diary. I have saved a lot of sentences in the past days, almost every day. And the third task is to build the backend data structure for Twitter, because in the end we want to create a Twitter-like application instead of a simple last. And the fourth task for us is to make a lasted Twitter-like replay view, because if we only got the data structure back in this program, not enough. We need to display our data into our users, and for this case the user is myself. I just want to create a better diary application for myself. So let's get started. First, we will need to install the Flutter framework. You can do it the hard way, or you can do it with the simplest way. Okay, I guess the simplest way for you is to open the Visual Studio Code and go to the Extensions tab. From here, we do a search for the Flutter. Okay, this is the one that we are looking for. We hit the install button. Then what do? We do this. As you can see here, choose all commands by select the Control with Shift and P. Then we search for Flutter. Here you can see a few options. Since we are trying to create an application, we're gonna choose the first one, New Application Project. Then it says that could not find a Flutter SK. Please make sure Flutter is installed in your path. We don't want to install it by ourselves. We just want to collect the download SK to let the Visual Studio Code to do that job for us. But obviously, the Visual Studio Code refused to serve us. He just led us to a web page. Inside of web page, you can do a choose. For example, here I'm gonna choose the lyrics. There are many ways to install the Flutter, but I choose the simplest way for doing it. Let's install the Flutter by using one command. Alright, Flutter have installed successfully. Then what do we do? Let's try it again. Control Shift with P. We want to create a new Flutter application. Let's select the locate SK. To be honest, I don't know where the Flutter SK was located. Oh my god. It seems like the Flutter haven't been installed at all. It still needs to download some other packages. Alright, everything was fine. Now if we wanna check out where the SDK path was located, we should use this command, Flutter SK path. Okay, it's right under the slab. Flutter, Flutter. Okay, now we have this command again. It will again ask us for the SK path. We collect it and go to slab. Flutter, Flutter. Here we go. This is the place. Well, we probably need to get into the bin folder, and from here we click this button again. Set Flutter SK. Then we need to select a folder where the new Flutter project would be put into. I'll just choose the rebuild Twitter folder, and we need to give it a name. Let's say test. We cannot use the test as the name of our Flutter application. How about Flutter example? Yeah, that's true. Okay, for now we got our Flutter project set up. Would you like to use the recommended VS Code settings for the start of Flutter? Yes. For now, as you can see, we only have the charm available for testing, but I guess that's enough for us. Let's hit it, and let's say how can we run this project? We press the F5 button. Alright, this is the initiate Flutter project that we have. Awesome. Back to the README file. The first task should be as easy as this. We don't need anything else. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.